I'm back. Here we go again. This video is about MDM, remote management, how to bypass. Today is Monday, December 5, 2022. I want to show you how to bypass this one. But this solution is not free. You need to register your ECID before you can proceed. But I guaranteed you, this procedure is 100% working and cheap some more. Not other tool very expensive. And then this one, I guarantee you, cheap price. If you want to register your ECID, you can catch me Singapore time or Philippine time, Asian time. You can catch me on Facebook Messenger. Okay, let's proceed. How to do it? Before we proceed, we need to restore the iPad or iPhones. This solution is not only for iPads, okay? This solution is for iPhone 5S up to iPhone 13. The 14 I haven't tried. And then the iPads up to 2022. The latest iPad Pro I haven't tried also. But the 2022, the latest one, or 2021, all the 2021 model supported. As long MDM status, something like this, so you can try this tool. Okay, let's proceed. Let's do the restore first. By the way, I'm using Mac OS Monterey version. So this tool supported High Sierra up to Monterey, but the new one, the Ventura, I haven't tried. This tool also have Windows platform. I show you also how to do it on Windows. Let's proceed on Mac first. Okay, first we need to restore the iPad first. So we need to go to recovery or DFU mode. So here you go. Restore to the latest version. So you can go to ipsw.me, then select your iPad or iPhone's model. For example, this one is iPad 5th generation, the Wi-Fi model. Get the latest one. So this version is iOS 16.1.1. So I downloaded already here. Let's proceed. Restore the iPad first. Okay. let me forward this restoring process, because the restoring process is around 10 to 15 minutes. Let me forward this step first, okay? Okay, restore is done. After restore, no need to touch anything. Don't touch the iPhone and the iPad. Just wait until the iPad boot up to normal mode or setup status. But don't touch anything. Don't do anything. Let the software finish the job. Okay? Because if you press setup or connect to Wi-Fi and then let the iPad open the MDM status, you can get error. Take note, don't do anything. Just wait until the iPad open and let the software finish the job. Okay, before that, we need to download the software. So, let me put this site or this server to the description. Then you can get the software. You can catch me also Singapore time or Philippine time, 8:30 a.m. until midnight, 12 midnight. I can support you and register the ECID for cheap price. Okay? First, you need to download this USB patcher software. So after download, unzip this one. And then open. Go to System Preference, Security and Privacy. Hit open. So here we go. Close this one. Close this one. Close this one. Just hit setup. Here you go. After that, you can see this one USB patcher on your desktop. Here, or just put on your desktop. And then don't forget to register it. Just put any 10 digits number here and then press OK. Sorry. Put 10 digits number and press OK. Then go back to run this. And go to menu utilities and get the bypass MDM without jailbreak. So this USB patcher automatically download this software, the MDM patcher. If you have this one already, just close the USB patcher. Okay. This is the main event. Take note, before you can proceed, you need to register your ECID. Just copy this one and send it to me, and then I can do the registration for your ECID. Okay? You can catch me on WhatsApp, on Facebook Messenger. Okay, let's proceed. This MDM patcher iOS 16 is very easy. Few seconds only, this MDM bypass done. Okay, once again, don't do anything. Just let the iPhone or iPad status something like this. Don't touch anything. Just press the patch MDM. Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Done. Okay. Sorry. We have the error. Why? Because the device is not activated. Okay? This is the error you can get if the iPad is not activated. Okay? You can press OK and then go to your iTunes or Finder. You need to activate the iPad or iPhone first. Activating. Okay, that's it. Close this one and then go back here. And then, once again, patch MDM. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's it. Success. MDM bypass done. Let's wait. Let's see the result. You can catch me on Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp or Telegram. I put my social media info on the description box. I can do support by a remote. Let's wait and see. MDM device management bypass. So this bypass one-time payment only, okay? If you re-bypass again, same easy ID, no need to pay. Okay, let's check. Continue. Next. Continue. Shout out to Bro Tanlap. Thank you, bro, for this tool, this powerful tool. You so clever. Tanlap is a good friend. Continue. Sorry. Set later. Use. Don't use. Passcode. Don't use. Don't use. Agree. Continue. Okay. That's it. Count few seconds done. Effortless. Very easy. Once again, take note. After bypass, don't do anything. Just let the iPad connected. Don't touch anything. Don't do anything, okay? Okay, that's it, done. So go to settings, about, iOS 16, 16.1.1, MDM bypass done, effortless. Okay, that's it for this video. Okay, just catch me on my social media account. I put on description below, and then let me help you or support you via team viewer. Okay, that's it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye bye.